Hi AppSec engineers. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Sandbox feature in AppSec Engineer. Sandboxes are the easiest and most secure way to learn cloud security, since you don't need to use your own cloud account or expose your cloud infrastructure to the simulated attacks we'll be performing in our labs. All of our cloud labs are completely hosted on our servers. Let me show you how it works. First, we head on over to the courses page where we can select a learning path that involves cloud. In this case, we're going with AWS. Once we've selected the course we want, let's head on over to a hands-on lab. We'll first start up the lab instance, which will take a few seconds. Meanwhile, you can see the instructions for the lab, and right here at the top, it tells you how to sign in to the AWS console. Let's run through these steps. First, we'll access the lab environment. Open up a new terminal. Copy this command to initialize our cloud sandbox and paste it here. Now that the sandbox is live, you can see that it generated a text file here in the Explorer section. This contains all the sandbox details: your AWS cloud credentials, the URL for your AWS console, and some access keys you may need in the lab. Let's go to this URL provided here. This is a login page for your AWS console. Now we just need to copy and paste the username and password. And there you have it. You have successfully signed in to the AWS console of your very own cloud sandbox. Now you can enjoy a fully isolated cloud environment to practice your cloud security skills without having to worry about compromising your organization's cloud or racking up unnecessary cloud costs. If you have any questions, just reach out to us in the comments, on AppSecEngineer support, or on our dedicated Discord server. Keep on learning!